Hey folks, Bryan Caplan here with the Bigger, Better Biz community, and I've got a quick tech tip just for you. Stay tuned. Hey everyone, so we're seeing a lot of people are searching for Squarespace login. If you're searching for Squarespace login, you've come to the right place. So I'm going to go over to my browser, and in a new tab, I'll start typing in squarespace.com. Once I type in squarespace.com and hit enter, it loads the Squarespace homepage. Now, with this design, Squarespace wasn't really thinking, and so login button, the login text, doesn't really contrast with the background. It's a little tough to see, but you'll always see login to the left of get started. So let's click on login. And then you'll be able to type in your email address and password, or you can sign in with Google, Apple, or Facebook if you chose to do so. Here's the thing. If you're accessing Squarespace on a public computer, make sure you sign out and never save your password to the browser. The last thing you want is someone else accessing your website and changing up everything. Not good. Note that you can have multiple websites with one Squarespace login. So let's say you're going to create a new business. You can create a second website in your Squarespace account. If you need help with your Squarespace website, whether it's just a little bit of TLC and a few marketing hours, or maybe it's a complete rebuild, feel free to reach out to us. We'll be able to help you with your Squarespace experience. Hey, until next time, I'm Bryan Caplan with the Bigger, Better Biz community. I hope that you stay well, stay healthy, stay happy, and here's to your success. So there you have it, another helpful tech tip from Bigger, Better Biz. Now, in order to receive more tips, tricks, and best practices in your inbox, be sure to subscribe to this channel and also click on the bell. When you do, every time we put up a new video, you'll be notified in your inbox by YouTube. While you're at it, be sure to join our free marketing community. When I say free, I mean free. We created it at the beginning of COVID in response to help as many small business owners as we could. We're growing every day by leaps and bounds, and we'd love to have you as part of the community as well. We provide articles, resources, videos, even access to exclusive webinars with me so that you can grow that bigger, better small business I'm always talking about. There's a lot to learn and a lot to know. As long as you can set your mind to just doing one thing today, you'll get closer to your goal. So get out there and do something. See you next time.